So you want to take a little trip abroad, but you don't want to pay increasingly high hotel costs. We feel you. Here we show you the world of airline stopover programs and how you can in fact grab massive discounts on hotel stays, or maybe even grab a hotel stay for free. What we mean by a stopover is a connection or a stop that lasts for over 24 hours, although many of these actually last longer than this. You can actually use this time to travel around countries or explore, but many airlines actually offer you discounts on tons and tons of things when you opt for this. Anyway, let's get down to business. How do we get our freebies and our discounts? Well, by far the best one to pick up is the one that's being offered from Etihad Airways, at least until the end of this year. They actually currently offer free stopovers in Abu Dhabi when you book with them right now. These 1 or 2 night packages are absolutely fantastic. They offer you a free hotel room that's either 3 or 4 stars, and as well as that, you can also pick up extra perks like 24-hour check-in and free Wi-Fi. If you're up for something maybe a little fancier, you can also get either between 30 to 40% off on 5-star hotels all throughout Abu Dhabi. That's a bargain. With the 5-star option, in fact, you can actually grab other perks such as free breakfasts, as well as stays up to 4 nights and loads more. Meanwhile, this policy could also be super useful for people who are heading to either Southeast Asia or to the Indian subcontinent. For those who are fancying some Mediterranean flair and perhaps something a little bit closer to home, another fantastic airline is Iberia Airlines. If you fly with Iberia Airlines, you can actually organize yourselves a stopover whereby you get up to 6 nights in Madrid, and with that you get massive discounts on hotel stays, cultural activities, and loads more, as well as a discount on your transportation during your stay. There's also massive discounts on cultural activities such as Prado and the Fission Borna Missa. And as we've mentioned, you can also pick yourselves up a free transportation card for 2 days from the airport. However, there's also tons and tons more airlines that are also offering freebies and discounts on hotel stays and activities and more, so make sure that you keep on watching to the end of the video so you don't miss out on all the very best ways to save. Another fab airline with which to pick up some fab freebies and discounts is with Qatar Airlines. They're actually offering hotel experiences right now for up to 4 nights in Doha, and with that you can grab massive discounts on activities and hotel rooms. The price, for example, of a 4-star double room starts at only £11. Needless to say, this is actually much cheaper than the usual stay in Doha, so make sure that you snag this deal if you wanted to head there. To book this, all you have to do is head over to their website and select the option that you wish to stay as part of a stopover. However, do be wary because some bookings made in the country have to be made through Discover Qatar. Yet another airline offering freebies is Oman Air, who do also free stopovers with massive discounts as well, and it's definitely a stay that's a little bit different from the usual. There is a few different stopover packages to choose from, and there are options from 3, 4, and 5-star hotels, as well as 1, 2, and 3 day stopovers. Needless to say, however, you should be making sure that there's also free rooms available. There's also fantastic tours available, such as a full day tour of Muscat City itself, and that also includes airport lounge access. For another fantastic airline who's offering a fantastic freebie and a bustling and energetic city, you look no further than with Turkish Airlines, who are offering fantastic freebies and stopovers in none other than Istanbul. With them, you can stop over in Istanbul with free accommodation and fantastic opportunities to explore the city. With it, as long as your stopover is over 20 hours, you can grab yourself a 1-night stay in a fantastic hotel in Istanbul. However, be aware that it's only for 1 day. However, anything above 6 hours in terms of a stopover, you can actually bag yourself a free city tour, as well as discounts on accommodation and loads of other stuff. Plus, that also includes free bus transportation and also meals. So make sure that you bag that up. And it also, of course, is important that we bring up that for any of these links, all you have to do is click on the links that we'll be including at the bottom of our video here. There's also, in fact, a bunch of other airlines who also offer stopover programs for free when you're transiting through their country. One of these, for example, is Finnair, who actually allow you, when you're flying through Helsinki Airport, to stay in their country for up to 5 nights. Another example of this is TAP Air Portugal, who will allow you to stay in either beautiful Lisboa or Porto for up to 5 nights in total. Plus, you can also use the TAP Air app to also claim tons of other discounts and promotions and the like. This also goes for Iceland Air. In fact, when you're booking with them, will allow you to organize a stopover in Iceland for between 1 to 7 nights. And take it from experience that this is just enough time to do a tour of the country via the ring road. So that is definitely an unforgettable experience that you can also sort out. Particular spots that you should be looking out for here are the beautiful fresh fjords, as well as the eastern part of Iceland and the south, which you'll find the black sandy beaches of Vik in. However, just be wary, as with the last 3 airlines that we brought up just now, you'll actually have to organize the accommodation yourself, and they don't offer you any discounts on that, so just be wary of that when you're booking in advance or organizing your stopover. The same also goes for Japan Airlines, who also allow you to organize a stopover in either Tokyo or Osaka as long when you're transiting through their country. However, as with Iceland Air, there's of course no accommodation included in this, so again, you'll have to book this yourself. And that's it for our video here in terms of grabbing yourself an absolute bargain via your stopover programs. Your ability to snag tons of discounts is in fact pretty much never ending with these, and especially if you're a long haul flyer, it really is a no-brainer. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel here so that you never miss out on all the very best ways to save. Once again, thank you so much for watching from Hot UK Deals.